In this video, we'll look at the repair of a cracked concrete driveway and of a step that was settling forward due to no rebar being placed from it into the porch behind it. We'll look at the construction techniques and see how the repairs were done. First, the driveway was broken up with a bobcat and a breaker attachment and an electric circular saw. And this was the result. Here you can see gravel was placed over the dirt, and those long black strips are expansion joints. They will be placed vertically around the perimeter of this driveway so that the new concrete pour won't hit the existing concrete pours. Here you can see the concrete truck backing up. The rotating drum is keeping the wet cement from curing. The concrete will be poured through a chute.
A tougher concrete than what they use on the rest of it.
And there's the repaired driveway. Now to the steps. Here the old steps were torn up. Here you can see 2 steps formed, the sidewalk, and all the rebar inside. And this time rebar is going from the steps into holes drilled inside the porch. Concrete is being poured into this cart, and then the cart is driven up the driveway and sidewalk. Now comes the work of shoveling it all into place. The concrete is smoothed out, and then a tool will be used around the edges to make what's called the picture frame, which is a finish around the perimeter. And there are the finished stairs.